Welcome to Material Management Training. I am your trainer for this course. I have a real-time experience of SAP consulting. This course is designed based on my experience with the Material Management module. In this course, we are going to discuss all real-time scenarios. We are going to discuss many business process flows that are going to be used in real time and testing of the same. For consulting, visit us at dktechnologiessap. If any company is looking for consulting, they can visit us. Coming to course target audience, this course is made for end users, those who are dealing in material management. Anyone who is dealing with the goods, like issuing the goods, receiving the goods, creating purchase order. So this course is for you only to become from end user to consultant. SAP consultants, if you are already a consultant like FI, CO, MM or SD or PP, to enrich your knowledge or to learn a complete material management module, you can take this course. Since we are going to discuss many business process flows to the extent possible, coming to non-SAP users, beginners, if anyone is looking to change their career from non-SAP to SAP in material management module, then this is the right course for you. Here I am going to cover everything from scratch. Even you don't know anything, just follow this course. By the end of this course, you will become a consultant. Subject to practice. You need to practice, not only watching the videos, you need to practice to become SAP consultant. If you are targeting end user job, you are going to learn all the business process flows so that it will easy for you to get a job in material management, logistics or purchasing officer like this. What you are going to learn in this course? See, this course is made for consultant and end users. First step, we are going to do the configuration. Whatever the real-time configuration, we are going to do this in a live server with step by step. Second, whatever the configuration we are doing, whether it is working as per our expectation or not, to test that, we need to understand complete end user activities so that we can test practically all the business process flows in SAP. So in one word, you are going to learn complete configuration and complete end user activities. So those who are targeting for consulting, if they know configuration, if they know end user activities in a proper way, it will easy for you to crack the interview. Now another important thing here, whatever we are going to learn, you will have a very good material, complete configuration notes as well as end user notes for your reference. In next session, we are going to understand module overviews. Thank you. Hope you will enjoy learning this course.